Today we're going to work with masking images using particular shapes in Keynote. We'll launch Keynote. Kind of always default to a wide screen. Today we'll go with white. Make it a little bit smaller. And I've got this image that I'd like to use. I don't need any of that text, so I'll get rid of it. And here's the shape that I'm interested in. But suppose I don't want all of this business. I can come up to shape and pick one of these interesting shapes to mask with. For instance, let's go with something simple like a circle. I can make it any size that I want. It's often helpful to set that opacity of that shape to 50% as you're doing the lining up. Then I select both the foreground image, hold Shift, click the background image, Format, Image, Mask with Selection. Done. There are other things I can add on top of this. For instance, sometimes it's very nice to have a little drop shadow, maybe with a little bit more blur, possibly adding a very thin borderline. It's a little bit too much. And I can still resize that to match. And that is masking using a selected shape.